All right, so our new line of plasmids are used for manufacturing lentiviral vectors. Lentiviral vectors are a key ingredient in some of these advanced therapies and some of the products that are on the market today that have been approved over the past couple years. So these products are the type of thing that we've been manufacturing for clients on a custom basis for many years. And there are different variations of lentiviral plasmids out there. We partnered with Oxford Genetics, and now we can offer their set of lentiviral vector plasmids as an in-stock, sort of off-the-shelf product that's essentially immediately available and soon even for clinical use and eventually commercial use. And this really helps our clients with their timeline and cost. So nowadays in this area, to be honest, timeline is even more important than cost. And with these available to ship essentially next day, it really takes one less thing off their plate as far as managing a supply chain and things like that. The other thing is consistency, so we can provide these throughout all stages of development, from research through commercial. And the other aspect is they're royalty-free and there's no sort of ongoing licensing or anything like that. So clients are confident that they can use these as they develop products and things like that. The IP landscape in some of these advanced therapies can be quite complex. And again, it takes one more item off their list of things to worry about.
Yeah, so the packaging plasmids for lentiviral expression we've been working on for a number of years. It's a 4-plasmid system. We've been optimizing the coding sequences for both the Rev and for the VSV-G plasmids. And we've also been working with a number of the regulatory elements within some of the genes to enhance lentiviral expression and also to reduce homology between the plasmids. So it's been a really strong effort within Oxford Genetics to build up this technology over the last 3 years, really. Yeah, it's really about giving the customers the opportunity to jump right into the manufacturing of their lentiviral vectors. So having a standardized, optimized process can cut time, it can cut costs, right? And so if you have an optimized set of plasmids that are readily available to customers, they're ready to go and they're expressing the right amount of virus that they need to get this into the clinic as early as possible.
So I think when you think about the manufacturing challenges that the industry is facing in these advanced therapies, in particular the CAR-T type therapies where they're using lentivirus to transduce cells outside the body, and there are certain programs where lentivirus is delivered directly to the body, although those are fewer. There are really challenges with manufacturing capacity and managing the complexity of the supply chain and consistent quality. Aldevron has always offered quality grades from early discovery through commercial. But what we found as we looked at what our clients were doing and how the industry was evolving, we were making as custom products these kind of standard plasmids kind of over and over again. So we wanted to really offer something to our clients in the industry that would help enable them get these products to patients more quickly. And we think that's what this is going to do. In addition, Oxford Genetics has done a fair amount of work optimizing these plasmids. So in this case, the performance they've shown to be actually better than some other commercially available plasmids. So there's those advantages as well. And this is part of an overall strategy that we've been developing to offer more of these off-the-shelf products. In the past, we've done a product, pALD-X80, for adeno-associated virus manufacturing, and we also offer Cas9 nuclease for gene editing at the GMP grade as an off-the-shelf product. So this really expands our offerings in this area so we can better serve our clients and ultimately get these things better to patients. Our founders, Michael Chambers and John Ballantyne, that's always been their passion back to 20 years when they started the company, is how do we enable these therapies to get to patients and really make a difference in lives. Right, so we have known Oxford Genetics for a long time, been in the industry, and they've developed a great reputation of being very smart, innovative scientists. So we believe we have that in common. Their work has been licensed to other companies and has a solid track record within the field, and people understand the advantages their products bring. They were interested in partnering with us mainly because of our breadth and size that we can bring to their product lines. So they have other product lines, and they're working on lentivirus manufacturing and other areas like developing cell lines and things like that, and have a lot of expertise in those areas. So they really just wanted to partner with us to more broadly distribute these plasmids, and I think they looked at the partnership with Aldevron as a good fit into our overall global size and scale. We just opened a 70,000 square foot manufacturing facility, so I think that brings a scale that they just can't bring, and a consistent quality level in the clinical grade and whatnot that they didn't have, and I think wasn't part of their strategy, so they could focus on really developing these new innovative products in areas they're interested.
Yeah, so we met with Aldevron a number of months ago and had a discussion about the vectors that we were working on and soon to launch. We're a technology development company, and Aldevron is really well known for their GMP scale-up manufacturing of plasmids. So it was a really great fit. A lot of customers were coming to us asking about the plasmids, and the next question they were asked is, what volume could we produce in? And so we had a thought about that, and I think that's where the marriage with Aldevron really came into play.